Hey guys, it's been a while since I've uploaded, but just wanted to highlight one of the dangers and risks of side roads. We're just exiting a car park at the moment, and we are going to encounter a car door opening very shortly. So just be very careful of parked vehicles. As teachers, we often are telling students, keep your distance. Highway code recommends a car door width a meter away, etc. And you've got to keep yourself positioned. We're in the middle at the moment, and we drift a little to the left, but the guy in the car suddenly opens the door. I've hit the brake, student has hit the brake as well, and also steered away. So they did that part really well. But it's a shock to the system. You're not expecting it, and you've got to be mindful. There's a puddle on the left. Be mindful of that. Don't splash people, and that's also a finable offence, by the way, if you splash people. But you can see how sudden this scenario is. Anytime you're on these side roads, a couple of things you got to be mindful of is kids or pedestrians can walk behind these high vehicles, which you can't see past, so it's a risk. So this car suddenly, no now, so all of a sudden they've just opened the door. There's no way. We actually passed, when we finished the braking, we were past the vehicle's door. So had we been in line with it, we would have taken that door out completely, or it would have really just smashed up completely with the front of our car. So yeah, these scenarios can be really jarring. We should be here in this position. I'm not saying we were completely right, but they have the due diligence to open the door with care, and you guys have to have that care of driving in these sort of side roads and tight roads very cautiously. Don't just think it's I've had students who are trying to hit 30 down a road like this. It's crazy. Obviously we have experience, we want you guys to get the experience, and we can only explain and tell you guys what we what to expect sometimes, and then you can encounter this. So this student who's encountered this hopefully will learn from it, big time, because it shocked them, it shocked me as well. But it's one of those things. So I just wanted you guys to see it, hopefully take note of it, and as you go down the rest of the road, just be very careful, be mindful. Any pedestrians, they could run out. You get the highway, the hazard perception for a reason. On that hazard perception, that door would have been open a little bit already, and you would have had to click in advance. But this time, this door just suddenly opened. I think there's a Dutch or German way of opening the door where you use your opposite arm to to open, or something like that, just so that your body turns in the direction, and then you open the door. And it's compulsory for them to do that on their driving test, apparently. Don't quote me on it, but it's a very safe way to do it. It's something that needs to be taught to kids as well, because my motorbike instructor unfortunately lost his life like this when he was filtering through traffic, and a pedestrian or passenger opened the door up like that, and it went straight into his chest. So yeah, sad moments. Things like this unfortunately happen, and yeah, I just want you guys to be aware of it. So I'm not going to waffle on. Hopefully the replays can help. Maybe you can try and start identifying where the risks and dangers are, and hopefully you will learn from it. So all the best with your driving.